Good afternoon, everybody. Today we are going to continue the revision of the lesson, the souvenir. Souvenir. Okay. So in this lesson, we saw that Siley, she wants to do something different, and she wants to go on a trip to moon. Okay. So Siley's mother, she said that it is very expensive, exorbitantly expensive, but she is ready to send her. In her childhood, we could. So she's saying that in our childhood, we could not even think of such a long distance trips. So we could not think of. You have decided, but we could not think of such a long distance trip. The longest trip meant to going to Europe. If you are getting this opportunity, make the most of it, said Mummy to the side. Oh, Mummy, Nia's grandmother was saying that in their childhood, the longest trip for the children used to only up to Delhi to Kolkata. It seems so funny, isn't it? Said Sairi, laughing. Remembering the incident made her laugh even now. Now the shuttle was getting closer and closer to the moon. Then it started orbiting the moon in every 32 minutes. The shuttle completed one revolution around the moon. Light and darkness followed each other in quick succession. Light, dark. So in quick succession. The dome-shaped settlements on the moon, which resembled the igloos of the Eskimos, were now visible. So it resembled like the igloos of the Eskimo, dome shape. After some time, Sally's shuttle made a slow, measured, and safe landing on the moon. So after some time, Sally's shuttle made a safe landing on the moon. The door of the shuttle was open, and the children were escorted through an airtight tunnel to the settlement at the Neil Armstrong base. The receptionist at the entrance to the base gave some instruction at the very outset. I welcome you all to the Neil Armstrong base to make your stay on the moon pleasant and comfortable. I would like you to take certain precautions, listen carefully to my instructions, and please follow them during your stay. You know that the gravitational force of the moon is 1/6 that of the Earth. In the human settlements on the moon, gravitational force equivalent to that of the Earth has been artificially maintained. But outside those settlements, the gravitational force of the moon is at work. So be careful. Okay. You will have to be extremely careful when you roam around here. Okay, due to the gravitational force. So be careful. The second point to remember is related to shopping on the moon. You all must be interested in carrying souvenirs back home from the moon. Please buy the articles only from the shops which are inside the dome-shaped settlements. There you will be assured of genuine articles. Do not buy anything from the unauthorized shops outside the settlement. I wish you a very happy and pleasant stay on the moon. She is wishing them the pleasant stay at the moon. So a jam-packed 3 days program awaited the children on the moon. The program is jam-packed 3 days program. According to the Earth's calculation on the moon, there were 15 days of daylight and 15 days of night time. According to the whole Earth's calculation, 15 days there is a daytime and 15 days there is a night time. The 3 days of the trip were going to be a part of night time on the moon. The 3 days tha wo pura darkness mein, night time on the moon. One of the most important programs of the first day was Skywatch. Skywatch. on the earth. It was usually foggy and the stars were seen rarely. First day's program was sky, but it was usually foggy. Fog was there, and the stars were rarely seen. Rarely star picnic movie. Then only very faintly. There was no atmosphere on the moon. On the dark background of the moon sky, the stars shone dazzling bright. On the dark background of the moon sky, the stars shone dazzling bright. The most attractive view was that of the disk of the earth. What is the disk of the earth? Disk of the earth. So that is the most attractive view. In the moon, the sky, the earth looked 13 times bigger than the moon. Moon पे earth जो है वो 13 times bigger दिखती है than in the earth sky. It was also 17 times brighter also. 17 times brighter दिखती है. The beautiful, enchanting view made Saili and her friends ecstatic. They fell asleep feeling very happy, excited, and comfortable at the same time. They are very excited by seeing such a wonderful view. They are very happy, they are very excited and comfortable at the same time. The second day's attraction was the circus on the moon. What is second day attraction? It was the circus on the moon. One unique feature of the circus was the sitting arrangement. Sitting arrangement was very unique. The spectators were made to sit in the tent and the circus was going on outside. High jumps, long jumps were the special attractions. One gymnast jumped 27 meters high. एक gymnast ने 27 meter high jump किया. On both the days, besides the main attractions, much time was reserved for visiting the various settlements there. It was expected that the students should spend some time for self-study. It was expected that the students should spend some time for study. Self-study. The teacher had assigned them the task of writing an essay on how they spend their time on the moon. Teacher given assignment, the essay, how they spend their time on the moon, which places they visited, what they observed. Saili and her friends had traveled far and wide and had done a lot of sightseeing. Saili और उनके friend ने बहुत travel किया, वहाँ पे sightseeing की. On the third day, their teacher took them to a place of historical importance. Third day, teacher उनको लेके गए historical importance वो place पर. 100 years ago, Neil Armstrong had landed in this place. 100 साल पहले नील आर्मस्ट्रांग वहां पे लैंड हुआ था. 100 years ago, Neil Armstrong had landed at this place. Everyone was looking forward to this visit to visit this historical monument. It was the oldest place in the history of man on the moon. History of man on the moon, oldest place. It was the oldest place in the history of man on the moon. The first footprint of Neil Armstrong was preserved on the moon land. The first footprint of Neil Armstrong was preserved on the moon land. Beside the footprint was a grand statue of Armstrong. Footprint के बाजू में आर्मस्ट्रॉन्ग का grand statue था. At the base of the statue were carved the first word uttered by a human on the moon. One small step for a man, one giant leap of mankind. ये carving किया गया, लिखा था कोड के से. One small step for a man, one giant leap of mankind. The next attraction for the children was that they were going to wear the space suits for the first time. Then they were going to roam outside, experiencing the gravitational force of the moon. Be careful when you walk, dear children. Don't run or sprint. You will fall. The teacher was warning repeatedly. Teacher was warning repeatedly. So many times she said, be careful when you walk, dear children. Don't run. You will fall. But who was in the mood to listen? Nobody was in the mood to listen. Who was in the mood? They hoped, jumped, ran around. Jump किया, ran कर रहे थे. Buy ornaments specially made from the stones on the moon. Moon पे जो stones थे, उससे जो ornament बने थे, वो खरीदे लोगों ने. Very cheap, cheaper than those at better. So ornaments are very cheap. Available in the shop in the settlement. Cheaper and better also. At least have a look. At least वहाँ पे एक थोड़ा सा देखो. The roadside shopkeepers scream at the top of their voice, "Buy, sister, buy! I'm selling these earrings really cheap." Saying this, he approached Sally and displayed the sets of shining stones ornate earrings. Sally suddenly remembered her mother. Tomorrow they were to start their return journey. She had completely forgotten her mother. In the last 3 days, she felt terribly guilty. So Sally she forget her mother. She is very busy looking, roaming here and there, taking something, buying something. Okay, she completely forget her mother in 3 days. So she feels very guilty for that. Buy this, sister. Don't think much. Cheaper and better. Take it. Sally looked around and the other children had proceeded ahead. Sally just looked around. Other children, they go forward. They proceeded. Only, come on, give me those red earrings, quick. Sally pointed at them and asked, "What's the price?" Sally, she wanted to take the earrings, red earrings. So she asked the price. "Only 1,000 rupees," replied the salesman. Salesman is saying, "Only 1,000 rupees." Sally immediately paid the amount, took the earrings and ran to catch up with her friends. So she immediately gave the shopkeeper 1,000 rupees and she ran to catch her friends. On returning home, Sally told her mother very enthusiastically. She's very excited. She's very enthusiastic. So she's telling her mother, "Mummy, look what I brought for you." Her mother picked up the earrings. She's saying, "Mummy, see this, what I brought for you." Her mother picked up the earring. She exclaimed, "Hello, dear. How I am going to wear such a heavy earrings?" Her mother is saying, "Oh dear, how can I wear such a heavy earring?" Sally immediately realized her mistake. Sally को उसकी गलती ध्यान में. Sally immediately realized her mistake. Sally had purchased the earrings in the field of the moon's gravity. Because why she realized her mistake? Because she purchased the earrings in the field of moon's gravity. Okay. So this is the lesson. This lesson is translated from the story Bhet by Lakshman Londe. Bhet is the Marathi story. So here the story is translated from the Bhet, B-H-E-T, Bhet by Lakshman Londe, and it is translated in English. Bhet. Okay. So this is the revision of the lesson, the souvenir. Okay, the souvenir. What we have to do? We have to read the lesson. Read the lesson, the souvenir. Okay. Here we have finished the revision of this lesson, the souvenir. In next period, we are going to start the question answers of this lesson. Okay, we will revise the question answers of this lesson. Okay, so read it. Go and search hard words in the dictionary. Okay, if you feel this is the hard word, note down and search in the dictionary. Okay, so here we will finish this lesson. Do your homework. Okay, read the lesson. Reading is very important. I always do. Okay, so go read the lesson